Hello, hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today let us discuss about the concept of physical factors that affect the value of resistor. So, actually, there are in the last previous class we have discussed about the type of resistors, but at maximum resistors are of this type. So, what are the physical factors that you see here? Of course, length and cross sectional area, right? Length and area. So let us know how these factors affect the resistance. So here length is directly proportional to resistance, and area area is inversely proportional to resistance, which means if length is increased, the value of resistance will be increased. If area is increased, the value of resistance will decrease. So we can say that R is directly proportional to L by A, right? To equate this, we are gonna take one constants. But here, according to the resistors, so we take resistivity as the constants. So what is the resistivity actually? So let me tell you. Resistivity indicated by rho. Here resistivity is nothing but how strong resistance can oppose the flow of current is nothing but resistivity. So every material have some fixed value of resistivity. Okay, so to equate this, we take R is equal to rho L by A. This is the equation of physical factors affecting the resistors. So let's do an example to clearly understand this equation. A copper wire of length 588.2 meters and area of 0.01 millimeter square is used to prepare a resistor. Okay. Calculate the resistance of the resistor of copper. If, see, I have already told you, for every material there is a fixed resistivity value. So for copper 1.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meters resistivity here. So if you ask a resistivity also we can tell. So what he asked, resistance he asked. So what is the formula that is gonna apply? R rho L by A. Okay, what are the given here? What are given? Length, which is equal to 588.2 meters, and area 0.01 millimeter square, right? We know that in an equation we have to substitute with equal measurements like units, but we have meters here millimeter square, so square. Okay, but let's convert to meters. How to convert millimeter? So to equate this, we have to multiply with 10 power minus 6, nothing but here just millimeters we are replacing with 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 6, now meter square. Okay, then resistivity, what is the resistivity that here we have 1.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meters. No need to change as it is in the meters. Now let us substitute in the equation to find the resistance value. What is the rho? I mean, resistivity is nothing but how strongly a resistor can oppose power minus 8 into then length. What is the length? 588.2 by what is the area? We have 0.01 into 10 power minus 6. Okay. See. 7 into 10 power minus 8 into 588.2. 9.994 into 10 power, we got minus 6 by 0.01 into 10 power minus 6. These two can be cancelled. So R is equal to divided with, okay. Okay. So 9.994 divided with 0.01. So finally, the resistance of this copper wire is 999.94 ohms. So nearly, which is equal to nearly 1 kilo ohm, right? So this is about the physical factor affecting the resistor, and an example with the equation that we obtain from this physical factor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.